Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing. Not trying to change it, just noticing it. The cool air as it enters your nostrils. The slight expansion in your chest or belly. The warm release as you let it go. And with each release, you can allow yourself to settle a little deeper into the chair, into the floor, into this present moment. Now, I and mate notice sounds around you, and you can simply let those sounds be there without needing to follow them or push them away. They are just part of the landscape of this moment. Now hiding needing some breath, and you can simply let those sounds be there without needing to follow them or push them away. They are just part of the landscape of this moment. And you can notice any thoughts that drift through your mind. And provido to get a fast on my stay, do for which you hast known. Now I invite you to recall a moment, however brief, when you felt a sense of peace. It doesn't have to be a grand moment. So, it could be the peace of watching a sunset. See what you saw then. Notice the colors, the light, the shapes around you in that memory. Hear the sounds that were present, or the beautiful silence. Let it embody in that moment of peace. Where did you feel that calm? Was it a lightness in your chest? A softness in your shoulders? A gentle warmth in your hands? A deep, solid stillness in your core? Immerse yourself fully in this remembered feeling of tranquility, and press it in your shoulder that war. Let it grow and intensify as you focus on it. This is your resource. This is your anchor of peace. And as you feel this peace at its peak, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Go ahead and do that now. And toe press them together, and as you do, imagine all that feeling of serenity, all that calm, of flowing directly into that point of contact. And it's as if you are downloading the very essence of peace into a neurological anchor. Your mind and body know exactly how to lock this feeling in place. You can release the finger press now and know that this anchor is set. a simple private trigger for a profound state of being. Now, let that memory gently fade, but let the feeling it created remain, spreading through you. And we will begin to speak to your I am peace. This is not something I need to find outside. With every breath in, I draw in stillness. With every breath out, I release any resistance to the calm that is my true nature. My mind is becoming a still pond, reflecting the sky without distortion. How each thought that touches its surface creates only gentle, fading ripples. And then the glassy calm returns effortlessly. My mind is becoming a still pond, reflecting the sky without distortion. My mind is becoming a still pond, reflecting the sky without distortion. Oh, each thought that touches its surface creates only gentle fading ripples. And then the glassy calm returns effortlessly. I can feel a deep tranquility weaving itself into the fabric of my being. It flows through my bloodstream like a serene river. It hums along my nerves like a silent, harmonious frequency. Every cell in my body is learning the rhythm of serenity and is bathed in the light of inner quiet. My heartbeat is a gentle drum, echoing the peaceful rhythm of the universe. I am balanced. Perfectly balanced between action and rest, between engagement and release. Estibsahir and the fizzed with the probity istism. My inner world is a sanctuary of harmony. Conflicting feelings can coexist within me without creating conflict, because I am the vast space that holds them all with compassion. Balance over with as prowlet, its apple free with sikter body with apeklu, its sestedad, and that observer is always at peace, and I am that observer. Its apathy is my natural state, to scent tender, and thou was so edible. It's the set to the flick of vertiefs, goop to lopes, the oft with overstring. There is of bike galoots prowlet in lance, and thouest the boko cook, with look luke so, front a roof stock so room. There is a frau coat 2-piece, and thou skipped with every cycle of my breath. My serenity deepens. My psychology is structured around calm. The senses abso, I feel that we're in this co-coast to the string, arcoio, frau, for I am a vessel of peace. Wherever I go, I carry this serene energy with me. I am a vestal of peace. It transforms my reactions into mindful responses. It influences my decisions, bringing clarity. It transforms my reactions into mindful responses. I am not disturbed by the outer world because my inner world is a fortress of calm. There is a story that has no power to disrupt my present peace. The future is a possibility that I meet from a place of centered calm. All that exists is this moment, and in this moment, I am profoundly at peace. Stop time itself seems to slow down in the presence of my tranquility. There is always enough time to breathe. I forgive myself for every moment I believed I was separate from peace. I welcome myself back to the center, now and always. There is a smile that arises from this peace, not on my face, but deep within my soul. It's smile of recognition, of homecoming. It's now mine. My peace nourishes me. It heals me. It guides me. It is my greatest strength, for it allows me to meet all of life from a place of unshakable power and gentle compassion. I now know, in a way I cannot unknow, that peace is who I am, and tranquility is my operating system. Serenity is the lens through which let this feeling imprint itself into every layer of your being. Let it sink into your muscles, replacing any residual tension with liquid calm. Let it settle into your bones, giving you the unshakable stability of a mountain. And where to rather like feed the present with their willy and vagware. You are becoming friends with the silence. And as this transformation integrates, you are a wave of gratitude for your own mind and body. And all of this paces between your thoughts until the silence is more present than the noise. You are becoming friends with this silence. It is not empty. It is full of peaceful presence. And as this transformation integrates, feel a wave of gratitude for your own mind and body, for their innate intelligence, for their willingness to accept this new, peaceful programming. You have done this. You have chosen peace, and that choice is now etched into your neurology. No I cesso to pesto, and that choice is now etched into your neurology. Take one more deep, nourishing breath here, in the very center of your sanctuary. And as you exhale, know that you can return to this center anytime, with a breath, with a thought, with the gentle press of your thumb and forefinger. You carry the key to your own tranquility.